Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever vlog. My name is Adale Penme, and today me and my friend we have decided to go to river. So I'm all ready now and I'll be going to their village. I have to go by auto. It will take around 15 minutes to reach there. So we'll show you guys. So it's gonna be a very exciting day for me. After almost 1 year, I'll be going to river. So we're gonna enjoy and I hope you guys will also enjoy with us. So please keep watching. Bye for now. So I'm in the auto now. I bought some stuff. And this is lovely. It's super sunny. Oh! Power playground. Finally, I've reached your village. It's beautiful. So this is the way to your village. I've reached finally. This is my friends. One of my friends' house. I think they're gonna start a new house. Finally, I've reached my friend's place. Oh, my friend's here. So let's go inside her room. Oh wow, so pretty. Akang puiki, mada puiki. Jelida, akang pui jelida ki bam ko be ki go. Hai zada. Bam lei wiki. Hi, tu alom sitting back. Giờ kita orang yang fikir that lada. Now we are on our way to the river. Go lung cái gì? Okay. That's ang na teliao noy. We'll show you once we reach. Bye for now. Okay, we are heading to farm to collect some plum and pennyworts, right? That leaves. We'll show you. This ginger farm. Ginger farm. So beautiful. They clean up everything. Oh my god. Sitting now. I may bang ramen sitting there. Oh, wow. Cucumber.
Rice trees.
Oh, Jimmy bear. Oh my goodness. It bears so many fruits in small tree. And then here also. Oh wow. Yummy, yummy. There's a lot. This is my friend's farm. See, my friend is there. And now we're gonna collect some, what is that? Okay, pennywood. Karaine. We called it karaine in Jaliang. What do you call this in your language? You can also comment section, yeah. Oh.
Ada organic ta. Ngayon sangpa for blood pressure.
Yeah.
Kilo भी अच्छा है.
Oh.
Pagumlo ka sangani. Samsung baran chicken po eh. Nakani kere da. back to our river. Our river. Now in the river. Refreshing. Smell that. Wow, Jackie, sitting there.
Finally, we are here. We reached the river, and my friend is cleaning this carina. Can you work? Let me see. Oh, you are trying the roots, right? Okay. Yeah, this is how we clean. And here is some plum. And my friend here is arranging some eatable stuff, some snacks for you. Oh, so excited to eat them.
Cái này là huya khó lắm cả. Ở đầu huya từ cái nào tới lên.
So now we're mixing the chili powder. We have chopped these leaves already, and we're going to add some salt. Looks yummy. So we're mixing now. What is this called? Pui pui. Is
Local made.
Local made, yeah. Motor stir fry karne wala hai, na? Now mix. Wow. Oh.
Ai ngồi với tặng mình. Nah, ni mati orang ya.
Bloom. First bite, everyone.
Ya, nah, cuci. Cheers. Oh, di lo lah sih. Mati bagang. Video ni nak buat di lo punya. Cuci tu lah. Tóc giờ sao bắt từ phía. Anh chơi bây giờ. Anh cái đánh miếng đã.
Fresh, fresh.
Anh đã thằng sang đấy. Để nó lắc sẽ.
Lu cái này lại phải gặp lu. Để thì những cái lu của vậy lu. Từ lu có thể có sự tươi ba.
Đi xuống đây.
Spicy. We forgot to bring cups, so we're gonna have like
Sao? Của trên chìm cũng ở.
tỏ mạch lên là có đây.
Làm cái đi của nó hơi chìm mông. Anh yêu cô học tụi. Ya là mình ra từ.
At they go limte.
Okay.
Này.
Chalo đó. sa. Ako na din tayo. Ada ya drop aku le. Ina. Kapoy ra. Kapoy to. Enggak. Mari. Nih. Ada ni teglau ka sabi dia ada orang ko. Ni. Ada buku. Ada. Ceme. Ani. Hai, ani tu semua. Beach. Local beach. Oh, atam aku picture ada hapang. Mushroom. Mushroom. Tepung pap mi tenalo ka de diko. Uống đầy đông có. Lâu rong lắm mà. Cinci. Ay, pulong at siya ko dah. May pesil dah.
Tapi isang ako na kita.
Isang ko dah kung dah kuah. Ada cinci. Gumamit isang lang ni.
See some wild fruits. We used to eat this when we were very young. It's sweet. Now we're heading back home.
Bye. Bye.